First of all, we will learn how to plot the graph using two different software. First, we will learn how to plot the graph using the GeoGebra.
Oh, g'day, it's Dave here. I just want to go through using GeoGebra and how useful the program is. So if you open GeoGebra up, you'll get a screen looking like this. You can just drag that bar across anywhere you want so you can see your functions. For your view, I'd suggest you put your grid on so you get that little finer line. Now, some things that you may want to do is you may want to move your axes. So if you come over here, you just got to get your mouse right. You can move the axes where you want. The other thing is you can scale your axes by just clicking on the axes there and just dragging it down. And you can do the same thing on this one. So if you just click and drag, you can make the axes look however you like. Now, today, in terms of what the lesson we're going to do is we're going to be looking at inserting using a slider. So the first thing, you come across these bars here, give you all your functions. So this one here, I'm going to insert a slider. Okay, over there, we're going to call our slider A. I'm going to change that to go from -10 to 10. Now you can go in increments of 0.1 or you can go in increments of 1, so that will give you whole numbers. Okay, now if you click on that, go to my pointer over here. If I click on my slider, I can format that, and so therefore that means that I can change the color of that. Just make it blue. Let's make it a bit thicker so it's easy to see, and that's probably all I need to do for that. Right, so then I can, should better move that. So if I go over to move objects, I can move that. No, can't seem to move that. Alright, just leave it there for now anyway. In terms of this next part, what I want to do is I want to insert a function into here. So the function I'm going to call it f of x. So we'll do f bracket, and inside there you'll need to type your function as x equals, let's do it as a times by x, and we'll do x cubed. So we have to use our caps lock, which is shift 6, okay, and we'll do to the power 3. Okay, it gives me that sort of function. Now, obviously if I use my slider, I can change what that function looks like, how it goes. Now, let's just go for x equals 1, a equals 1, so that is y equals x squared. Alright, if you think about that. Now, again, I can format that particular graph by do my color. Let's go blue again. Let's go to style, make it quite thick. And we'll close that. Now, if I want to see that graph a little bit easier, again, I can click on, if I go to my thing over here, I can move my axes, and that will allow me to scale that out a little bit this way. Alright, so you can see that.
Now, we will proceed to the second, how to plot the graph using Geometry Sketchpad.
New, graph, plot new function, and we want to do sine x. We'll click OK. We want it in radians, so we will click yes. We will reposition our graph on the paper. We will stretch it, label it, make sure we have everything, change the line to thick, and we're ready to go.